my own on-air or welcome sign. And now, this thing is all made out of LEDs, and I recommend this for YouTubers who are having much time of recording. So if it is on air, you're recording, and if it is the opposite, welcome, that means anybody can go in and you're in there. And then if nothing's in there, just turn it off. So let's go ahead inside and see what's up with this. And now, to make this, you'll need 2 plastic containers. So then, for this one, I'm cutting the plastic container so it fits like one. And then, if you look down here, there's a cut of the plastic container, and I'm sticking it with a glue gun. And then, if you want to look inside, just take off one tape, wait, then, and open it up. So now, as you can see here, wait, okay, so from this side, you'll see there are 2 switches. The first one here, the black one, is the on or off, and then the other one here, the red one, is the switch which is to change the mode between welcome and on air. And then for the cables to connect between the batteries, the LEDs, and the switches, I'm using this kind of connector, but you'll need 6. So now let's go ahead and look and see what's under this thing. So now it's almost done. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so I can take off all of the screws. Then under here you'll see so many cables, micro cables, and some kind of these tiny wires which are from the LED pins. So actually I'm cutting every single LED pins, and then I soldered them back like this just to connect between the LEDs. And then between 4 of these, the first one will be the LEDs which are turning on and in any mode. The next one, the welcome, then the on air, and then the last one will be the ground. And then to power this up, you will need 4 AA size batteries, in total of 6 volts. And then to connect this to here, you don't need a resistor because it's enough to have a 6 volt as much as this to power up hundreds of LEDs. And then to make the PCB like this stand, you will need this kind of pillar, 4 of them. And then as the containers are connected and also the PCBs are also, you will need some ice cream sticks. Okay, so I think it's enough to look behind. So now we're gonna screw it back, and then just in case anything is broken, you must make sure it is not broken. So after you're done, you can just close it back. Wait. Okay. You can just close it back, then put the tape back again like this. And now for the plan, this is the number of LEDs before I decrease the number. Before I decrease it, the length was 30 LEDs, the width is 6 LEDs, which in total of this size, and the LEDs used is 180. After I delete some LEDs which are not used, it became 142 LEDs, and then after I add a PCB, the outer line gets bigger only for the PCB. The next one is the LED switch. When will it turn on? Then the black one here is the one which is turning on at any mode. The green one is the one which is only turning on at welcome. The on air only for red. And then this is the circuit which you are going to connect between the components. The first one, it will go to on off switch. The next, the black one, which will turn on every time, and then it will just go directly back to this thing here, and then after it goes here, it go up here and go to the two mode switch. So if it goes like this, it will go to green and go directly to minus, and then the other way to red and directly go back to minus. So then after we're done with that, we can just hang it back in here. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.